Welcome back to the School of Wok in Covent Garden. My name is Ruby and it is Flavour Friday. Today I am going to show you a Keralan fish curry. If you enjoy our videos, then make sure you subscribe to our School of Wok YouTube channel and remember to hit that bell for notifications. So a beautiful Keralan fish curry. This is definitely one of my favorites, and Kerala is one of my most cherished memories from traveling in India. I love seafood and the freshness of their dishes. So let me take you through this recipe. We are going to be using a white fish. So this is a cod loin. And then we've got the rest of our base of our curry. The main thing that I want to talk to you about the fish is you don't want your fish to just break up and dissolve into the curry. You do want to have nice chunks. I'm going to show you how to do that. So when preparing your fish, try not to cut it too small. And you'll see that there is the lines that kind of break up the fillet of the fish. We're going against those, so you'll get a nice, decent chunk that will end up flaking, but you're trying to hold it together without it completely disappearing. Okay, let's start cooking. I've got myself a nice heavy pan and then go in with about 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. This is so we've got enough to really coat the bottom of the pan and a little bit extra, because the first thing that we want to do is fry off some of our spices. So I have got some mustard seeds, and I really want them to pop so that they get that flavor coming through. I'm also going to add in my curry leaves and really get that flavor coming through. If you are using the fresh curry leaves, you might not need to do the frying for quite as long. I've got the dried variety, so I really want to get the rest out of them. Okay, now that that oil is hot enough, I'm going to add in a generous teaspoon of my mustard seeds. You can see them fizzing and popping away. And then our curry leaves. Okay, now the mustard seeds are starting to escape my pan, so I'm going to go in with my shallots and soften those down. Try and cut them quite thinly, and then they'll cook relatively quickly and make for a nice smooth sauce. In goes my ginger and garlic. I'll cook that for a further couple of minutes. I'm just going to add in a nice generous pinch of salt. I've turned the heat down just slightly. I want to make sure that I am softening the onion and garlic and it's not just frying away. You do want it to be quite a smooth sauce. And because you do have kind of all that bite from the mustard seeds and the curry leaves, we want the nice silkiness with our onions, ginger and garlic. I've got some ground spices as well. So I have some coriander, some cumin, some Kashmiri chili powder, and then a little bit of turmeric. We'll fry those off. Ooh, it is smelling good. In go my green chilies. So green chilies really do give you an extra kind of freshness and obviously the heat. And then I've got some fresh tomatoes. Okay, I'm going to add a touch of water now. We are going to have a coconut base for this curry, but I also just want to make sure that I've really pulled everything up, and I don't want it to be too heavy with coconut. So a little bit of water, and that will just really help to get everything lifting up and pulling together. And now I'll add in my coconut milk. So I brought that curry up to a gentle simmer now. Now we need to give it a little bit more seasoning. So we've added in that salt, we've got that richness from the coconut, and we've got our spiciness from our ground spices and our chili. I'm going to add in a teaspoon of sugar just to balance out those flavors. So as you can see, I'm really trying to make sure that my curry is right before I add in my fish, because I don't want to have to move it around too much and then break up that fish. So I'm going to gently add in my fish. I'm going to place it around my curry. Okay, now I'm going to pop a lid on and just let it simmer for about 5 to 6 minutes. Oh, yum. There you have it. My version of a Keralan fish curry. Let's have a taste. Oosh. Make sure you get all those good bits. That is so confident. That fish is so beautiful and meaty. The coconut makes it so smooth and creamy, and it is spicy. This is a beautiful dish. Love a seafood curry? Please tell me in the comments below, what's your favorite seafood curry? How do you like to cook it? What does it involve? Let me know. If you enjoyed our video today, then please remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel, comment below, like our video, and if you want to make this cracker of a dish, then the recipe is in the link below.